What is this hamburger?
I have this Jollibee today, and I'm gonna eat it because I'm craving for it.
No straw, madam. They forget the straw. Straw nahi hai. Ketchup mangsa?
Hindi. I will.
Because we did not eat from 6 months, no? We did not eat Jollibee, no?
Yeah, I didn't eat in Philippines. No, I eat in Philippines, but it's just a very mini.
No.
Too much mayonnaise, guys. Oh my god. Super. My love, can you give me the my mayo?
You put vegan now, you need.
No, I want my QP. QP. QP.
You have or not?
I have in the fridge. Thank you, Uber! Alam niyo, 3 araw na akong nagkikrave itong Jollibee. Ewan ko ba't ngayon lang ako umorder.
Where are you? Come to snooker club. Yeah, I'll be reaching there by 11:30. Okay?
Pinaparinig talaga sa akin kasi aalis siya.
What, Alisha? What is it?
Sarap!
What is Alisha?